wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introducing my name Ardianto with NIM 63241010. So here I will explain about that is inside the computer. The first material is the motherboard. A circuit motherboard inside a general-purpose computing system include personal computer, smart television, smart monitor, and other similar devices that support communication between various electrical components and process components such as CPU, memory, etc. Then the second material is the processor, or what we usually know is the central processing unit. A processor is a program that runs inside a computer. When running, the process uses functions such as CPU, memory, and input or output device. Process have several steps such as ready, running, waiting, and finishing. The operating system manages process by storing important information in a structured process control block, or PCB. When next there is RAM, for its own extension is random access memory. RAM is temporary storage area where the CPU accesses data quickly. So, in short, RAM only function as storing data from the program by relying on the hard disk. Next, storage device. Storage devices are divided into two, namely there are HDD and SSD. HDD is a storage medium that uses mapping disks to read and write data. HDDs are softer and have a less safety but are connected to the mechanical components. While SSD is a storage media that uses flash memory. It keeps the moving part, making them faster, more shock resistant, and more power efficient than HDD. Next, PSU, power supply unit. Here, power supply unit is a computer component that converts electrical current from a source, home electricity, into a current that is suitable for computer components such as the motherboard, CPU, and hard disk. The power supply unit ensures that each part of the computer is powered with the right voltage to portability. Peripheral devices. Peripheral devices are additional devices connected to a computer to help input, process, or output data. Example: keyboard and mouse, input, printer and monitor output, and flash drive storage. Thank you. Well, for the second topic is hardware. I chose hardware because I want to see what the hardware content on the computer look like. Next, table of content. Hardware definition: input device, CPU and motherboard, RAM and ROM, storage medium, output device. Next, hardware definition: hardware is all the physical part of a computer that can be touched and seen, unlike software which is digital. So, in short, hardware is a medium connection hardware and software which refers input, process data, and so on. Input device. Input device are hardware components that function to transmit data, command, or signal into the computer system so that, that they can be further processed by the CPU. Example are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and camera. Next, CPU and motherboard. CPU is the main control center of the computer, often called the brain of the computer. Motherboard is the main board where all the computer components are attached. So, CPU and motherboard are intertwined with each other. Next, RAM and ROM. RAM is temporary memory where active data is stored when the computer is on. RAM speeds up data accessed by the CPU. The larger RAM, the more processes can be performed simultaneously. ROM contains permanent instructions, usually for the ancient boot of the computer. The data in ROM cannot change by the user and is not lost when the computer is switched off. Next, storage medium. A storage medium is medium or device used to store digital data, either on a short-term, temporary, or long-term permanent basis. Its function is very important because it allows computers to store operating system, programs, and user files, such as documents, photos, and video. Next, output device. Output devices are devices that function to change or display the result of process carried out by computer to user. Example are monitors display image or text, printing document, and speaker emitting sound. Thank you very much.